How to make a bottle lamp with chslamps.com. Using our universal fitting kit. An easy step-by-step guide with no steps skipped. To get started, you will need a 10mm diamond drill bit. Available on our site. An electric drill. A small flathead screwdriver. Our bottle lamp kit. A bottle, bulb and lampshade. Use the drill to drill the 10mm hole in the bottom rear of the bottle. About 1 to 2 inches from the base. Ensure the glass is kept damp or wet when drilling. Allow the drill bit to cut the glass slowly. Do not apply too much pressure, as this will crack the glass. Practicing on a separate bottle first is always a good idea. The plastic grommet for the hole in the bottle is already on the wire the correct way for your convenience. Push the bare wire ends through the newly drilled hole, then hold the bottle upside down to easily feed the cable through the bottle top. Prise open the universal bung from the lamp holder with the small flat screwdriver. The black or white kits, E14 or E27, are pretty much the same. The holes outlined in blue are the push-fit holes for the wires. Feed the wires through the universal bung, then push the 2 wires into either connector as shown. They must go opposite each other, as depicted. Safety advice. The wires must go opposite each other as shown. If you put both wires on the same side, the lamp will blow the fuse in the plug and not work. It does not matter which color wire goes which side. Then, reconnect the lamp holder and universal bung together. If you want to fill the bottle with small beads or similar, then do it at this stage. Then push the lamp holder and universal bung into the bottle neck, so it is firmly in place. Pull the cable at the rear of the bottle to gently take up the slack, then push the grommet into place, so the cable is protected from the glass. Congratulations, you have your bottle lamp. Now just add the bulb and the lampshade of your choice. Happy crafting, from chslamps.com. Please visit our website. The link is in the description.